Hey buddy, you already know what's going on. If you watch my other video, then you know I built that big garden. This is what's going in it right here. I just got this in yesterday. Them boys done dropped it off. But we got a pretty busy day today. Peaceful, I ain't got no neighbors cause the house is empty. I don't know, it just came out of me, man. I just started like, I don't know, it ain't like I was like, oh, I want to get a gardener. It just kind of like came out of me, bro. Like I just like flowers and plants and shit like that. You know what I'm saying? I got all kind of shit going, bro. Mostly vegetation. I still gotta get wood chips and stuff to put over this boxes, but get some mulch. I mean, to put over these boxes. But I'm trying to keep the grass from. You see the grass on me? I'm trying to keep the grass from growing over here on my little flower station. Somebody gave me this. This was a I can't remember what they call this. I have to look it up and let y'all know. Somebody probably know. They look at this picture. And that's a rose bush. Sometimes it bloom real nice. This rose bush can put confusing though. Cause one minute it be doing good and then the next minute it be doing this. So we're gonna try to clean it up a little bit real quick. I think, you know what? I think this one is dying. Something recently died. Have to cut that out of there, I guess. But yeah, it's a nice rose bush. Something like that. The way it's standing straight up. Maybe even that grape tree will grab it. There's another grape. Oh, I'm growing on the wrong thing, buddy. Come up over here. There you go. What do I do with these things right here? Somebody get up underneath the comments and let me know. These things right here, when they open up, like, I know they're supposed to be pollinated, but do they have so you can buy to pollinate them, or can I take another flower? I don't know. How do I get it? Cause they bloom good, but I can't never get them to pollinate. And there's bees and stuff, so I don't know. Just let me know. I'm not gonna bother it. Try to get some snippers. I'm gonna grow my food. I don't know about y'all, but I spend damn near $50, 50, almost 70, probably about 56. Ain't gonna lie, about $50, $60 a day on food, but I ain't. I need to stop. Well, I'm finna get me a pond. Matter of fact, that's what I'm gonna do today. Get me a pond. Get up out of that grass. I hope that grabs onto that tin. I don't know if it'll climb that or not. Or maybe I'll put a thing on there, but if it climbs it, fine. I won't bother it. That'd be pretty cool. I guess it wouldn't be stable though for pushing fruit. Turmeric getting pretty big and tall and healthy. Look at that. Turmeric. This is a chili plant. They grow pretty well. We got okra ready. This one's the biggest one I've ever had. I started in the ground the first time, then I decided to move it to the garden bed. I don't know what that is we got going on there. No idea. I think it's onion. Okra. Just looking just some blood going on.